introduce myself. My name is Clarissa Triskunurusida with my last NRP is 94. Do you guys know who is Hindia? I bet that most of you know him even by his group band or his own music. Okay, let me tell you a short describe about my idol and my role model. Daniel Baskara Putra, also known as Hindia, is an Indonesian singer, songwriter, and producer. He was born on 22 February 1994 in Jakarta. He has dark curly short hair, that is his best part and I love it so well. He is tall, has a body close for man, a very beautiful voice, and everything about him makes me so in love day by day. He is very kind and humble with his fans. His interaction with fans when at the concert making me wanna be like him obviously. Not only a solo singer, he is also part of Lomba Sihir and Fizz as a vocalist. Okay, that's my short describe about my idol. Hope you listen to all of his songs.